To get a review of the new Canva content planner, you're in the right place because I'm going to take you inside the back end of the content planner and I'll show you how you can get started and if you should be using it or not. So I'll see you then. Okay, this is the Canva content planner. The way you can find where it is by just going to canva.com/planner, or you'll find it here on your dashboard. Now, there's one thing to note, which is the Canva content planner is only available on the Pro plan. It is not available on Canva's free plan. So if you have the Pro plan, you can get started and check it out. So this is how it's going to look like once you log in. Let's go and try to schedule something for tomorrow. So I'm going to click on the plus sign and you can create a new design right here, or you can choose from one of your already created designs. So I'm just going to choose a design and I'm going to use this template right here for test. And then it'll ask you which page you want to use. So let's say you want to use page 3, and the way you can look at pages is by using this arrow right here. So let's go to page 3, and this is what I want to post. And you can write a caption here, uh, happy Monday, and you can schedule it to these platforms. So these are the platforms that are available right now to post. So let's try to go to Facebook group. So now here it'll ask you to connect your Facebook account and it'll ask you to log in or just give it access. So this is the opening and I'll just give it access. You can also choose what you want to allow for access. So now let's see what happens when I give Facebook access. Uh, does it show me all my groups or do I have to choose a group? I don't know. I'm testing it out. So let's see. It's working, taking some time. Okay, it's showing me all the groups I'm a part of. So not only the groups I'm an admin at, it's showing me all of the groups I'm a part of. So I'm just going to go and search for my group here. Online entrepreneur. Okay, this is my group. So I'm just going to click and so it says here now I have to go to Facebook and add Canva as an app. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Facebook and inside my groups. So here I have all my groups. So this is the group I've been trying to post on. So let's go in the group and try to update the settings. Let's try to schedule this on LinkedIn or Twitter. Let's try Twitter. So again, connect Twitter. And since I'm already logged in, I will authorize the app. And okay, so you can schedule it here. So if I wanted to change the date and the time, I could do that here. I would probably choose this day and time and click done, and I would just schedule it. That's it. You can see it's scheduled right here. Now let's go back to our Facebook and try to go to apps, under settings, advanced settings, so apps right here. So I'm going to edit it here and I'm going to add an app. I'm going to look for Canva here. Okay, found it. And then I'm going to add. Okay, that's it. I've added Canva as an app. Now let's try to schedule this post. So I'm going to choose a design. Okay, Now, here is one issue. Since I've already scheduled this, it's not actually letting me choose another design from this template itself. So this template actually has 20 individual designs, and I have scheduled one of them, but it's not letting me go back to this in order to schedule it for Facebook, which is weird, but I think that's something they're working on or they should be working on. So yeah, so I can't go back here and schedule another image from this template for Facebook, which is kind of weird. But let's try to go back here, click in here, and try to schedule something for Facebook. So if I want to go to my Facebook group, okay, let's look for online. Okay, right here. What if I want to schedule this for 21st? Let's see if it removes my Twitter scheduling or it keeps it. So it's removed my Twitter scheduling, right? So I'm not able to use the same template, which could have either one image or 20 images. I can't use that same thing to schedule on two different platforms, which is, I think, a bug and they need to fix it. Let's try to schedule something on this day itself. And again, I can't choose this template because I've already scheduled it on Facebook. So let's try something else. Let's try the Pinterest one and choose a destination, and I want to schedule it to Pinterest. And then again, connect Pinterest. Give access, and that's it. So I will be able to schedule this on on different boards. So I can select a board and schedule it. Let's just, you've selected more pages than this platform accepts. So, okay. So it's letting me select just one page and then schedule. So basically my review of the platform is it's not perfect right now. I mean, they just launched it, but if you're using a pro Canva account, this could work really well because, again, first of all, since you're already paying for Canva, you're going to get this content planner for free, at least as of now. And secondly, it's really easy to choose your design right from inside of Canva instead of downloading it and then uploading it into a third party content scheduler. Of course, there are a lot of drawbacks. As of now, I can't really choose the same template. Uh, Even though it has multiple images, I can't schedule them if I've already scheduled one image from that template. And the other thing is, I can't, from the same image, I can't schedule the same thing on multiple platforms at once, which I think would be a great addition to something that they're already building. So, this is my review of the Canva Content Planner. If you want, go ahead and check it out. If you're not using Pro, I think you could skip it for now, but that's it. If you like my videos and if you want to watch more videos on marketing tools, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.